residents have been asking about the incidents. We need a solution.
Right now, all we can do is post guards to keep people away from the ruins and plan our next steps.
Dada, hiya! Oh? What are you talking about? You look pretty serious.
Nikki, I was just about to find you. Whatever you do, please stay away from Queen Philomea's palace ruins for now.
What happened?
Lately, there's been strange singing echoing through the ruins at night. It's so eerie. It gives me the creeps. And some residents claim to have seen floating green lights. Maybe ghosts.
Ghosts? Will they eat us?
We haven't found anything like that, but something strange is going on. First it was adventurers, then the investigation team. Everyone who steps into the ruins at night disappears without a trace. There are rumors that they were turned into bear plushies and taken into the long-abandoned palace.
Turned into bear plushies and taken into the palace? That's no ordinary disappearance.
Exactly! People are saying it's Queen Philomea's ghost, and that she's cursing people with her song.
Queen Philomea? Never heard of her.
She ruled the Heartcraft Kingdom centuries ago. After her death, her belongings were preserved at her palace in the meadow. Records of her are scarce, but most describe her as cruel, even to her own family.
Yes, that's right! They say she even hated her own sister. She was poisoned by her enemies right before her sister's coming-of-age ceremony. Everyone's afraid now, saying her ghost is spreading a curse. People in Florawish are too scared to leave their homes. We've tried everything to get to the bottom of it, but it's been dead end after dead end. We're truly at a loss.
Dada, hiya? I can go to the ruins and investigate.
What? No way! It's too dangerous.
Don't worry. We've helped solve plenty of problems before. This time won't be any different.
What do you think, Captain Haya?
With your help, we might make progress. But to be safe, you should go during the day. It should be much less risky that way. We assigned an investigator named Locke to keep an eye on the ruins. You should speak to him first.
Don't worry. We'll report back as soon as we find anything.
Good. I'll have someone inform Locke that you're coming.
What? Missy Green's Quick Wish bottle was swapped on purpose? Very likely. The Wish Envoy's ledger doesn't have my mom's name. And I found a regular wish bottle discarded near the Dream Warehouse. Nearby, there was also a small piece of cloth. What kind of cloth? It's from Feywish Sprite clothing. Their fabric is unique, so I'm certain of it. Could there be a misunderstanding? Feywish Sprites are descendants of the Wishing One. How could they use something as evil as a Quick Wish bottle?
We're confused too. But Dada, a lot of clues point toward the Wishing Woods.
Nikki, you're back. How was the investigation in Stoneville? Giovanni? Giovanni is... he's the prophet? And he stole the Orium vase? It's not just a legend, it really exists. But what is he planning? The Desperation Orb, the Quick Wish bottle, how are they connected to the Feywish Sprites?
Giovanni said the Wishing Woods hold all the answers. To uncover the truth, we might need to go there.
Things are getting so complicated. 15 years ago, Wishfield's Sovereign of Elegant disappeared while investigating a missing stylist. We all thought this case would remain unsolved. But now, 15 years later, Giovanni reappears and is tied to the coma incidents.
His reappearance is a major breakthrough. If we follow this lead, maybe we can uncover the truth behind these cases.
But I heard with the Wishmaster's ban, the Wish Pass Office, isn't issuing new pass permits. Without a pass permit, Nikki can't enter the Wishing Woods.
What should we do? If only Jirota were here. He knows the Wishing Woods better than we do.
I'm here! I'm going to the Wishing Woods with you!
Jirota! Jirota, are you okay? We were worried about you.
I'm fine. A Fey-Wish Knight isn't easily defeated by mere words. Actually, the PC suspicions aren't entirely baseless. Although I hate to admit it, all this really might be connected to the Fey-Wish sprites. Even if the truth is hard to bear, I won't back down. I'll protect everyone!
Jirota, thank you.
It's nothing. I'll handle it. I'll get Nikki's pass permit.
And for such an important task, you'll need some official credentials. Nikki, as head of the Florawish Stylist Guild, I invite you and officially ask, will you become the Stylist Guild's official investigator and go to the Wishing Woods to uncover the truth behind the coma incidents?
I will. I will too. The Stylist Guild's official investigator needs a talented assistant, right? Nikki and Momo, the unbeatable duo.
Yeah, you can do it.
Yes, we can. Especially with me on the team. I'll head to the Wish Pass office and talk to my old friend Supervisor Lupopo. Nikki, let's meet at the office entrance.